name is Liz and welcome to Nothing But Bags. Hi, my name is Liz and welcome to Nothing But Bags. I call this space Nothing But Bags because when I'm getting ready to go somewhere, I consider my outfit to be the accessory and my handbag the main event. Whether this is your first time clicking on my videos because this channel was recommended to you, or you're one of my fellow returning handbag addicts, subscribers, supporters, or friends around here. Either way, I appreciate that you click this video from the bottom of my heart. So as you saw from the thumbnail on top of this video, this is an unboxing of a Wishlist bag. I did a video recently where I talked about intentionality around our handbag collections. And I talked about looking at our collections and deciding if there's any gaps in the collection, any pieces that we feel we need that we don't have, how we feel about the bags that we do have, and focusing more on wish list bags as opposed to adding more bags to your collection. Because I feel like if you have a collection where you have some purse piece and you're pretty happy with everything, it's not like you feel like, oh, I need another evening bag, or I need another great work bag, or I need a good travel bag. I feel like I've checked all those boxes. I even joked that one of my friends around here in the handbag community, Loyayyay, asked us to do one of those tags where you pick bags for specific events, and one of them was a zombie apocalypse. I feel like I have a bag for a zombie apocalypse. So that being said, I don't feel there are any gaps in my collection. I love the collection where it is. I love all the bags that I have, and I don't think there's anything I need to add or look for. But of course, over the years, there have been bags that I've fallen in love with and wished for. I'm like a cat when you put a red dot on the wall, for example. Before the recent February Coach drop, I was looking at the powder pink and the denim collection. And then I saw Jazz from the Completed Look posted this tabby that was covered with flowers. And I saw that bag and I looked at that. And I just, well, whatever is going on, I just get distracted. But there's some bags that I've seen over the years that I have fallen in love with and wished I could have. And this happens to be one of them. Caleb Snell here in the YouTube community had shared this bag in one of his Saint Laurent handbag collection videos well over a year ago. And I think that was the very first time I saw the YSL, it's either Sade or Sade Clutch. And I later saw it on Lakeisha Chanel's channel, what I'm on today. And I would often message her whenever she did a video about the bag, or she didn't even have to be doing a video about that bag. She could be doing a video about a different bag. And if I could see the Sade or the Sade in the background, I would comment on it. And so it's been a wishlist bag for me for quite some time. And I happened to be on his channel one day and I noticed he had a store, and I don't know why, because I don't need handbags and I shouldn't be shopping. But I happened to look at the store where he sells some of his pieces, and I saw the bag there. What is so ironic is he did a video on his Saint Laurent handbag collection. And when he said something about this bag, he said, I'll probably never let this bag go. Well, he did. And I ordered it from him. I got with the package a thank you card, and it says many thanks with little lemons all over it. And inside it says, Dear Elizabeth, thank you for your order. I hope you love your new YSL Sade Clutch. It's a gorgeous bag. This bag has some of the softest leather too. Thank you, Caleb Snell. And as someone who has watched his channel for many years, it's super cool that I got this bag. And I wanted the bag because he purchases pre-loved bags and some pre-loved bags. And I know how he feels about good quality handbags, how he takes care of them. And I also know that he has a vast collection. And because of that, I know that this bag has not been carried 8,000 times. It's in the Saint Laurent box. I'm so happy I got the box. I'm so excited. A beautiful box. I've ordered from Saint Laurent before, and I don't know if you recall, I had a very bad experience with the bag that I ordered, and wasn't happy with it at all. And it did not come in a good box like this. The beautiful Saint Laurent dust bag. And the Sade or Sade clutch. This bag, this bag feels so good. It's got YSL right there. That's the only branding on the bag. This is the back of the bag. This is the front of the bag. The side, the other side, and the bottom. This bag is stunning. I knew he barely carried this bag because he has a phenomenal handbag collection. It has a snap closure. The hardware looks brand new. Now it is lambskin on the outside. I want to say it's calf skin on the inside. If I'm wrong, I will correct it on the screen. He does have the bag stuffed because that's just Caleb Snell, baby. And that's the inside of the bag. It has a zip closure. It says Saint Laurent Paris right there and Saint Laurent Paris right there. It has a gold zipper with a black leather zipper pull right there. Smooth zipper. That is the pocket. This is the original card because he bought this from Saint Laurent. When he did the, this is all the packaging and the paperwork. When he did the video for his Saint Laurent collection, he had said in that video this was the most expensive bag in his Saint Laurent collection. And he bought it from the boutique. So he's the only owner of this bag. This is a wish list bag for me, y'all. This is a wish list bag for me. I love an old nasty clutch. I love old nasty clutch. I really do. This bag is stunning. It is stunning. I'm speechless. I am speechless. This bag is stunning, and I have wanted this bag for so long. Anyway, I just came on to do this little unboxing with y'all. I just came on this little unboxing with y'all. I'm so happy that Caleb didn't want this bag no more. I'm so happy. Is this bag is gorgeous. Anyway, I just wanted to come on and do my little unboxing. Super excited about this bag. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Anyway, I have no words. I just wanted to unbox the bag with y'all. I'm gonna put my little dust bag inside my bag and I'm gonna play with her. But anyway, I guess y'all want to see what fits in the bag. Y'all want to see what fits. Anyway, because this is a clutch, so I wouldn't be able to carry this like cross body or anything like that. I have to carry it under my arm or in my hand. So I'm just gonna get a couple of pieces because this wouldn't be like I'm going out for the day type of thing. This bag is stunning. So let's say I would put put a wallet or a card holder in there. That's in the bottom of it right there. And then I would put like a pouch for the bathroom. We'll put that right there. That's that right there. Still got plenty of space. We'll put my tissue in there. We'll put a phone charger in there. Put my handy dandy fan in there. And put some chapstick. We just throw a little chapstick in there. And that's all of that in there. And then we snap it closed. This bag, oh my God. This bag, anyway, I'm done. I'm not gonna keep going on about this bag. It feels so good. It feels so good. It is so beautiful. Anyway, that's all I got. I just keep saying the same thing over and over again. This bag is stunning. Anyway, let me do a thumbnail. Thank you, Caleb, for buying my bag for me and taking such good care of her until she was able to come home and be with me. And be with me. Jot down in the comment section, tell me, what is your wish list bag? What is one bag that you have wanted for quite some time and you just have never found the right price or the right condition, the right timing? Maybe you had other things you had to do and nothing was the right time. Drop down in the comments and tell me if you have a wish list bag and what it is. And the only other thing that I ask of you is that you have an absolutely wonderful day.